Thomas puffed slowly up to the bridge. "Well done, Thomas!" the workman cried. Thomas was pleased to be there. He was looking forward to a rest. But there was another job to be done. The bridge section needed to be lowered into place.
I'll do it,
Diesel oiled.
I'm the stronger than this Steamy.
"No, let Thomas try," the foreman said. "He's already proven how strong he is. He pushed the bridge section all by himself." Thomas was very proud. Diesel was cross. The workmen attached lots of cables to Thomas. Thomas slowly took up the strain, but the section was heavy. His wheels slipped. The workmen were worried. Thomas puffed harder and harder and held the beams steady. He edged forwards, slowly lowering the section. It got heavier and heavier. Thomas had to work very hard to hold the section steady until finally it was lowered into place. The workmen cheered. "You are a very strong engine," called one of the workmen. "And very useful indeed," called another. Thomas was as tired as he had ever been, but he was so proud. He felt like his boiler would burst. "Steamies are better than diesels," boasted Thomas. This made Diesel crosser than ever.